Good morning, students. I am your new math teacher, myself Kirish. Today we are discuss about the chapter Simple Equations. Before going to discuss about this chapter, simply we can recall the concept you already learnt in class 6th. In class 6th, you already familiar with the topic algebra. In this chapter, you already studied the concept algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. What is the meaning of algebraic expressions? Very simple. The expressions consists of variables and constants. The expressions consists variables and constants. Are called algebraic expressions. The expressions consist of variables and constants with the symbols like addition symbol, subtraction symbol. Those are called algebraic expressions. For example, x plus y is equal to 2. Here x plus 7 is also expression, 2 also expression. Here 2 is constant number, 7 also constant number. This x is called the variable. What is variable? Just recall the term. What is variable? Variable is a symbol. Variable is a symbol, usually a letter, which is used to represent an unknown number. Variable, it is a symbol or letter. Usually, it is a letter. Usually a letter which is used to represents the unknown numbers. Represent unknown numbers. Example x, y, z, a, b, t, s, etc. Variables are represented by the small letters of English alphabets. We don't know the exact value of this x, r, y, z, a, b, t, s. We don't know the exact value of the term are called variable. If you give x is equal to 1, the value of x is 1. If you give x is equal to 2, the value of x is equal to 2. If you give x is equal to minus 7, the value of x is equal to minus 7. It is depend upon what we are given to that variable, what we are giving the value to that variable. Okay. Next, we are discuss about algebraic expressions. Already I will told that the expressions containing variables and constants are called algebraic expressions. I will take one algebraic expression 2x plus 7 that is equal to 8. 2x plus 7 that is equal to 8. Here 8 is constant. We cannot change the value of this number. It is always constant. That is always 8 only. Here 7 also constant. 7 also constant. This x is variable. X is variable. This 2 is multiplied to this variable. This 2 is called coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 2, variable is x, 7 is constant, 8 also constant. This is the basic concepts you already learnt in class 6th. Now we will recall the concept equation, algebraic equation. Algebraic equation. What is algebraic equation? Very simple. Algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions containing algebraic expressions containing equality sign. Equality sign. You already know about that. We can represent that is equals. This is the symbol of equality. For example, y plus 7 is equal to 8. Here y is variable, 7 is constant, 8 is also a constant. But in this algebraic expressions we use equals symbol, then it becomes algebraic equations. Very simple. Algebraic expressions containing equality sign, then we called as algebraic equations. Okay. Now we just recall how can we solve these simple equations. Are you understood these concepts? Okay. Now I will take one example. First one, x minus 3, x plus 3 that is equal to 7. X plus 3 is equal to 7. This is algebraic equation. How we can solve this algebraic equations? Just once we recall that here plus 3 is added to this variable x. Now we subtract this 3 by both the sides. This is algebraic equation. This is left hand side LHS. This is RHS. LHS means left hand side. RHS means right hand side. Okay. Just add. Here addition is there. Just subtract 3 on both sides. Both sides subtract by 3. Then equation becomes x plus 3 minus 3, that is equal to 7 minus 3, plus 3 minus 3, we get 0, that is equal to 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4. Then x plus 0 is equal to x is equal to 4. If we solve this equation, we get the value x is equal to 4. Write down this. Next, I will take another example. 2y minus 4, that is equal to 8, that is equal to 8. Here right hand side is 8, left hand side is 2y minus 4. Here y is variable, 2 is coefficient of y, this 4 and 8 are constant terms. Now here minus 4 is there, we add 4 for both the side, then this 4 will be cancelled. Now add by 4, add 4 on both sides. Then equation becomes x minus 4 is 2y minus 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 both are cancelled. Then 2y plus 0 is equal to 8 plus 4, 12. Then 2y is equal to 12. This 2 is multiplied to the term y. We take this into RHS side, that becomes divide the number 12. Then y is equal to 12 divided by 2, y is equal to 6. This y is equal to 6, and also in this equation x is equal to 4. These are the solutions for the simple equations. Okay students, write down these two equations, and also you can try to solve these problems. X plus 9 is equal to 7, and another one 2z plus 8 is equal to minus 7. You can solve these two problems. Okay students, thank you.